Alright, hello everybody. This is Riley from Triple B Collectibles. It is 7:55, March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone watching and everyone watching this video later on after I post it up on YouTube. Right now we are doing a big boy, the Cup break. This is a sealed box of 2020-2021, the Cup. This is a very high-end Upper Deck product. It's going to come with 6 cards, 3 to 4 of them being autos, 1 to 2 of them being relics / inserts, and 1 base card. So we also threw in 2 retail Series 1. That way everyone has a shot at getting at least 1 or 2 cards out of this break. So what I'm going to do right now is randomize the teams and then randomize everyone's name. And that's going to be that. So start off with the Anaheim Ducks, drag it all the way down to the Jets. And I'm going to go to the list randomizer. So you guys can see the Jets are on the bottom, Ducks are on top. I like to roll real dice, so I'm going to roll them right here. Take a look over here at the Cup. Ooh, we kind of over here. The minimum amount of times is 4, and we got 4. Hard 4. So 4 times on the team list, and then we're going to do everyone's names. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4th and final time. Florida Panthers on top, Los Angeles Kings on the bottom, Minnesota Wild scattered in the middle. A little sweat for the Minnesota Wild here. And then, boom, take the customers. Dinger all the way down to Kevin K. There you go, so you can see it, Kevin. Take you guys, same thing, random.org list randomizer. Kevin K on the bottom. Dinger on top. Just going to go through you guys one more time so y'all see it. Dinger times 3, Joe S times 2, Al G. Dinger times 2 more. Jimbo times 2, Romine times 2, Joe S times 3, Roger times 2, Joe M in for 1, Bird in for 1, Jimbo in for 3 more, Links in for 1, Joe S times 2, Dinger times 3, Roger 1 more, Benjamin K, and Kevin K with the last spot closeout mojo. Same thing, roll the dice, 4 or higher. Good luck all. Ooh, way in the back. Crap out. 7. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. These are going to be your teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Boom. That kind of went weird. Benjamin on top. Joe M on the bottom. Joe M with the Kings. That's a good one. Ben with the Panthers. Who got the Wild? Jimbo. Jimbo with the Wild. Jimbo with the little krill chasing. There we go. Sort. Lynx with the Bruins. Bruins are a good team, Lynx. Lynx. All right, let's go through it real quick. Anaheim Ducks going to Dinger. Jimbo with the Coyotes. But it's all right, Jimbo. You got the Wild. Coyotes aren't the best. I don't know if anyone's going to do Coyotes for Devils. I'll give you guys some time to do some trades, though. Lynx, you got the Bruins. Joe S, you got the Sabres and the Flames. Dinger, you got the Hurricanes and the Blackhawks. Jimbo with the Avalanche. There we go. Joe S with the Blue Jackets. Roger S with the Stars. There we go, Roger. Congrats on the Stars there. Romine with the Red Wings. Joe S with the Edmonton Oilers. Ooh, there we go. Joe with the Oilers. Uh, Romine with the Red Wings. I already said that. Benjamin with the Florida Panthers. Joe M with the Los Angeles Kings. Jimbo with the Wild. Kevin K with the Canadians in the last spot, Mojo. I like that one. Nashville Predators are going to Dinger. Joe S getting the New Jersey Devils. Connor getting the Islanders. Islanders got some decent rookies. Eli Sorkin. Joe S with the Ottawa Senators. There we go, Joe S with a little Setzel chase. Flyers going to LG. Jimbo with the Penguins. That's a sneaky one for the Penguins. Sharks and Blues going to Dinger. Joe S with the Tampa Bay Lightning. Jimbo with the Maple Leafs. Roger S with the Canucks. Dinger with the Vegas Golden Knights and Washington Capitals. And then Roger S with the Winnipeg Jets. Jimbo, you got a little haul here. The Wild, the Maple Leafs. What else did you get? Wild, Maple Leafs, Penguins, Avalanche. And you're trying to give up the Coyotes, bro? Come on now. So, I'll give all you guys some time if you want to make some trades. Looks like Jimbo offered the Coyotes for the Devils. Don't know if that one's going to work, but you can try. Joe S is in here. Dinger, looks like you got the Ducks, Hurricanes, Blackhawks, Predators, Sharks, Blues, Golden Knights, and Capitals. Roger, you got the Jets and the Senators. Romine with the Red Wings and Rangers. Bird with the Islanders. Joe M with the Kings. Al got Philly. Al said Philly for trade. If anyone wants to trade Philly, let him know. Cool old guys. Links, you got Bruins. What else? Did I miss anyone? Kevin K, you got the Canadians. The last spot at closeout, Mojo. Oh. James told Romine $200 for the Wild if you want him, Romine. Come on, Romine. So, I'll give you guys a little bit more trade time. Wild $200. Sorry, that was a weird sniff my shoe. Joe M said he'll trade the Kings for the Wild. Kings got Gretzky autos. If we pull a Wayne Gretzky. So, I'll give you guys a little bit more time. Doesn't look like anyone's going to be trading. Never know, you never know. So, we'll get into Series 1 first, then we'll do the Cup after. If all teams are final, I'll give you guys till the end of this Purdue game. I knew Bergie messed it up, bro. Son of a bitch. out this. That's crazy. Purdue's out first round. Yes, I had them in the Final Four. All right. Looks like no one's gonna trade, and I can't figure out the bottom ticker tape. But you guys I'll try to throw your teams up. Maybe I'll do that. So, yeah, let's rip. Sorry, the ticker tape's not working, but I threw all your guys' teams over there to the left for you, if that works. So, yeah, I'll figure it out next week, but let's rip. Teams are set. No one traded. It's all right. To cut back here for now. And we'll get into these series first. Put in white font. You can't see half of it. Links. What is this? Alright. I'll just throw a box up there and rip. Good to go. Here we go. Rip through this series one quick and we'll get to what matters the most. The cup. Empty old box. Video input. Portraits. These for you, Links. Maybe for you, Links. There's McDavid. It's an early sign of greatness. Igor Shesterkin for the Rangers. Red Dazzlers here. Ovechkin, that's actually a cool one. Capitals going out to Dinger. Ovechkin red. Space. Pink Dazzlers. Mitch Marner. It's a cool one. Let's go on to the Maple Leafs and Jimbo. Pink Dazzlers are what, 2 per case? Yep, that's we're actually talking about that, Al. We'll give you if you don't hit anything Young Guns wise or out of the cup, we'll give you some base. So that was discussed. That will we might even give you all the base, to be honest, if you don't hit nothing. So but yeah, you will get cards no matter what. So Swayman. There you go, Lynx. I guess we'll throw it. It's a Swayman rookie. It's going out to Lynx. Decent inserts so far. Nothing, no Young Guns yet. That's him. That's Swayman. There you go, Lynx. You said you wanted your Swayman. You got your Swayman. Congrats. Jeremy Swayman, Young Guns, going out to the Boston Bruins and Lynx. There you go, Lynx. Bingo. Portraits. Gabe Velarde. Going on to Kings and Joe M. Hundo P here. Some stuck together cards. McKinnon for the Avalanche and Jimbo. Blue Dazzlers here. Just make sure there's no Young Guns. Ovechkin again. A little Ovechkin Dazzlers rainbow. The blue and the red. Now we just need the pink. Going out to Dinger. Jeez, we're on kind of a Young Gun cold streak here. Braden Point, Hundo P. Looks like the Sharks. Jeffrey, yep. Jeffrey Veal, Young Guns here. And now to San Jose and the Sharks. Dinger K. GF reveal. Nashville, maybe? Tanner Janot. Yes, sir, Nashville. Well, hopefully we can pull you like a Yorkie or something at least. You never know. The Phillies might have something hiding in that cup box. Predators and Tanner Janot going to Dinger, I believe. Yes, sir, Dinger K. Yep, Michael, the cup break just sold out. So that's actually what we're doing right now. These are just some bonus boxes that we threw in. And then we got the cup right here sitting in the back waiting for us to break it. So just sold out of the cup no more than 5 minutes ago. Hellbuck? Connor Hellbuck, Red Dazzlers. But Michael, your package did get shipped out, so well, at least it got packaged up. I don't know if we're gonna wait for the post office to come get it, or I think we're actually gonna go check it, or Bergie's gonna go check it into the post office, because last time he dropped it off in the drop box, they got stolen, and like 3 or 4 people didn't get their packages, and that's not good. We don't want that. So, Patty Kane. So canvas here, Ryan Ellis for the Predators. Brock Besser for the Canucks. I feel like I didn't even say Vancouver Canucks. Rogers got the Vancouver Canucks. Okay. Bro, this pack literally feels like it's going to be like 2 cards. I'm not even joking. Four cards in that pack. What? Alright, I guess. Brandon Hagel, rookie retrospective. There's just 4 cards in that pack. I've never seen that before. This looks like Cousins debut. Dinger Links, have you guys seen that before? I know you guys open up a bunch of retail. Have you ever seen one card with 4 packs? Or 1 pack with 4 cards? It's not Caulfield. It looks like the Canes. Kiani, maybe? Joey Kiani. Yeah, you just want me to type it in the barbecue, or not in the barbecue, in the comments? I'll send you an email to whatever email you have with Lynx's name and number and all that stuff, so. Or you two could just like meet it. You guys, there's nothing in this pack. This is a sealed pack with nothing in it. I didn't open this one. This one's sealed still. What is going on with this box? I'm going to keep that one off to the side. And this one feels super thick. So that's crazy. Yeah, no, that one has like 15 cards in it. Clinton. Oh, that's actually a nice Red Dazzlers. Rookie Red Dazzlers, Clinton Byfield. I'm not gonna, yeah. Go out to the Kings and Joe M. Nice one. Clinton Byfield, Rookie Red Dazzlers. Tarmo Runanen. Going out to the Rangers and Romine. Rangers. I think Rangers Romine. Yeah, Rangers Romine. That one's easy to remember. Tarmo Runanen. So yeah, there was 2 hits and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 13 cards in that pack. That's weird. Make sure we got no more goofy old packs. Canvas here. Looks like the Avalanche possibly. Nope. Ryan O'Reilly for the Blues. Yeah, funny enough, these boxes were from a sealed case, which is even more weird. Oh, I mean, I guess almost all retail boxes would be from a sealed case, but Teuvo Teravainen. I think that's Tice. Nope, Dwight Kalnick. Not a bad one for the Blackhawks. Dinger K. I feel like that was more than 6 Young Guns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no, that was 6. White Kelnick. Gabe Velarde, Electromagnetic. Kings and Joe M. And our empty pack that's just nothing. I'm going to throw in one more pack from this box over here because that ain't right. That ain't right that we got an empty pack. So. Patrick Kane portraits. Threw in a bonus pack for you guys. Sorry about this one. I don't know. It's just very odd. Very, very, very odd. Empty box here. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen in this one. Doesn't feel like it. Feels like we got all our cards there. Jeremy Davies. Just trying to think who that was. I couldn't tell. Normally I can tell. Predators having a decent little Series 1 break. Going out to Dinger. Nope, Ben, the cup is right here. We're saving that for the last. These are our bonus packs right now. Half-field Trevor Zegras Young Guns checklist. So I will have to random this one off after the break, as Dinger has the Ducks and Kevin K has the Montreal Canadiens. So I will random this one off unless you two want to figure something out before the end of the break. Don't matter to me. If not, I'll just random it. Same thing for the cup. If we pull a team with multiple, we're going to have to random it. Joe Pavelski. Give it to Kevin. All right, cool. Thank you, Dinger. Yeah, I know you probably got about 40 of those at home. Kyle O'Connor, honor roll. Brock Nelson. Is that a throwback? No, he plays. He just looks old as hell. UD Canvas. Only 20. Oh, sorry, not 50. Only 20. See if we can get you a Caulfield and Leon Draisaitl on a roll. Who's got the Oilers again? Joe S. Joe S. got some banger teams for the cup. That's what I know. Sergei Bobrovsky. Debut dates: Pierre-Olivier Joseph. Pylon. Okay. Fish out those base. Capitals also going to Dinger. Dinger's like, oh great, more Young Guns. I already have 3 of these sets. Garrett Pylon for the Washington Capitals and Dinger. I think that's Yorkie. There we go. Well, Al, you're not getting skunked at least. That's why we throw in this. You might not hit the Phillies in the cup, but at least you got a little Yorkie action here. A little Young Guns. Cam York, Philadelphia Flyers, going to Al G. There you go, Al, a little Yorkie. Looks like a goalie stick. It could be Spencer, maybe. It is Spencer. I need some sleeves for Spencer. Got something. Florida Panthers are going out. Actually, I can just look on the screen. To Benjamin K. Spencer Knight, Color Match Dazzlers. Get well soon, Spencer, as the kids say. Spencer Knight, Rookie Red Dazzlers. Another Red Dazzlers here. DeBrincat. I really like the look of the Dazzlers in this Series 1. I really like it a lot. I think they're really cool cards. It'd be kind of cool to build the Dazzlers set. Portraits here. Quinn Hughes. Canucks and Rajaress. Jesus. Another portraits here with some stuck ones. Alexis Lafreniere. Second year going out to the Rangers and Romine. Rookie retrospective, we don't care about that. Ty Smith. Hughes Lafreniere checklist. Hondo P. Anze Kopitar. Kings and Joe M. No. Jackson Cates. There you go, Al. 2 on the board. Thought I saw the little stick and I was like, could it? It could be. It wasn't. Flyers and LG. Double on the board. At least you got 2 of something now. Looks like the Blues maybe? Matthias Samuelsson. Not the Blues, the Sabres. Sabres of Buffalo. Going out to Joe S. First time I said that name. Josh, you got more of the cup teams though. Canvas here. Max Picciarelli. Sorry, I should probably do it more here so you guys can see it and it's not blocked by the name. Another portrait, or another canvas. Connor Garland. For the Yotes. And Jimbo. Ooh, canvas. Morgan Barron. Going out to Romine. Canvas Young Guns, Morgan Barron. I think we're also looking for Quentin in this one. Romine, Morgan Barron, UD Canvas Young Guns. There we go, Romine. Rominium. Blue Dazzlers. Dazzy Dazzlers. Quentin Byfield again. I think I got the orange from retail. And then Joe's going to get the red and the blue. Or did we already pull a blue? No, it was the red. The red, blue, and the orange. Sell those as a set, Joe. Ooh, debut dates tricked me. Pius Suter. And last pack, here we go. Do we got one more Young Guns? I don't know. Who's counting? Not me. We don't. Do the checklist. Kevin Lankinen. Alright. Let me get this stuff the hell out the way. This one's going to Kevin K. Make sure I write that down. Alright, let me grab these. Grab these. Grab this. Put it in a little box over here. And then we're getting into the cup, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting into the cup. All right. Got everyone here? Check in, check in. Everyone drop some GLs here. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clear off my area here. All the debris. All these little card edges. Romine's here. Where's Jimbo? Where's Jimbo? Where's Connor? Where's Dinger? 1, 2, 3, 4. Connor's in here. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. Got my sleeves. Jimbo's in here. All right. This is what we've all been waiting for. Upper Deck 2020-2021, the Cup Hockey. Sound off. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck all. Here we go. Dinger, Jimbo, Lynx, Joe S, Joe M, Romine, Roger, Al, and Kevin K. If I missed anyone, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm going to cut this one. No, I'm going to cut it against the cop. I don't care. I don't care about saving boxes. Fergie can save the inner box if he wants. Cracking the seal. So it should be, oh, another seal to crack. Cracking that seal. Another seal to crack. Cracking that seal. All right. Nothing in here. Dun, 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 dun. Empty tin. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, let me get some fillers quick. Beautiful base card on top. Here's what we're going to do. Like this. Go like this. So we have all our cards right here. All right. Ovechkin on the top. We're going to take from the bottom. This should be our other base. / insert all-time alum, Bobby Orr. Numbered 49 out of 249. 45 out of 249, excuse me. Nice card here. All-time alum. Jeez, I'm going to have to break the edges of these top or these penny sleeves. That one might be 180 point right there. Yeah, it could also be 130. Let's check 130. Oh, we're at 180 here. 180 it is. Bobby Orr, all-time alum. On our insert card, our base on the back. This one's going out to the Boston Bruins and Lynx. Go Lynx. Alexander Ovechkin. Just a base, but I'm sure this card will sell pretty well. Going out to Dinger and the Capitals. Forgot to break the edges of my penny sleeve, so just give me a second to do that, guys. I'm sorry, I apologize. When we get to these big ones, I don't want to have to be fumbling around with the penny sleeves, so. They're a lot thicker than I thought they were going to be. Alexander Ovechkin to the Capitals. Washington Capitals going to Dinger. Next on our RPA. Gold. Auto patch. Morgan Gretzky for the Hurricanes. Wow. Out of 24. A beautiful 4-color patch there. Carolina Hurricanes going to Dinger as well. That's a beautiful card. Morgan Gretzky. Rookie auto patch. Beautiful 4-color patch there. Carolina Hurricanes and Dinger K. How do I say it? Geek? Oh, Geeky. Morgan Geeky. I saw an R in there. Morgan Geeky. Sorry about that one, Connor. 13 out of 24. Manitoba. Worn by the featured player in a game. That's a beautiful card. Alright, our next one. That looks like some Canucks colors. Brock Besser out of 25 limited logos. That's a sweet 3-color patch. Brock Besser to the Canucks. And Roger S. There we go, Roger. Jeez, these are so thick they barely even want to go to the penny sleeve. Brock Besser. Minnesota boy, I believe. Limited logos out of 25. That's a really cool one. 8. He's number 6. Ooh, close to a jersey match. Looks like there's something in there. It might be part of the jersey though. Chemical composition. Alexander Romanov to the Canadiens. That's a sweet one. Alexander Romanov, 2 rookie patches. Or I mean, I think this might be like part of his helmet or something. Going out to Kevin K. There you go, Kevin K. and the Canadians. Romanov, rookie mantle. Roman, don't ask questions you know the answer to. Alexander Romanov chemical compositions. 1, 2, 3. And final card of the break. Trios jerseys. Oh, Ovechkin, Backstrom, and Evenji? How about that for the Capitals? Washington Capitals going out to Dinger. Ovechkin, Backstrom, and Kuznetsov. That was absolutely sweet. 3 different colors on all of them too. Game used by each of them. Here we go. Not a bad box at all. So our 2 base / inserts. Our base was Ovechkin, numbered 21 out of 249, going to the Capitals. And then our all-time alum, Bobby Orr, 45 out of 249, going to Lynx and the Bruins. Trios jersey patch, Ovechkin, Backstrom, and Kuznetsov out of 35, 19 out of 35. Nice one going out to Dinger as well with the Capitals. Rookie mantle, chemical composition. If you look at this card too, it's like, I think it's part of his helmet or something. I'm not quite sure. Not sure. Chemical composition. But Alexander Romanov, rookie mantle. Rookie going out to the Canadians. And Kevin K with the last spot mojo. With the closeout mojo. Thanks, Kevin K. So those are limited logos. Going to Brock Besser. Or going to the Canucks of Brock Besser. Vancouver Canucks going to Roger S. Real cool one for you, Roger. And our RPA, Morgan Geekie. 13 out of 24. The rookie auto patch. Going out to the Canes. Carolina Hurricanes going out to Dinger as well. Have a break, Dinger. Just goes to show you in a break like this, you don't have to have the best teams to hit the best cards. 1, 2, 3, patch, and insert in a base. There we go. Congrats to everybody who hit. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Better luck next time. Hopefully we can get one more box of this stuff. We'll see. It's very expensive. You guys can see why. So, wasn't a horrible box at all, though. We got 2 rookie, 2 RPAs. Brock Besser's pretty talented. He's pretty good. So, and the trio of Ovechkin, Backstrom, and Kuznetsov. Anytime we hit Ovechkin patch, game worn. So, all right.